Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to buy a Prime membership on Amazon. First, open your browser and go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Make sure you are logged into your Amazon account. On this page, click the button that says Start your free 30-day trial. Next, you will be taken to the payment selection screen. If you have an Amazon gift card, you can enter the code here. Otherwise, select Add a credit or debit card. Enter your card details in the required fields and click Add and Continue. Follow the final prompt to verify your payment method, and your Amazon Prime membership will be instantly activated. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.